Hello, welcome to my channel. Let me console you. You clearly hate yourself enough to want to learn PyTorch. Good choice. So this is going to be a playlist where we'll be learning PyTorch for machine learning. So without any further ado, let's understand what is PyTorch. PyTorch is an open source deep learning framework. Non-meaningless, it's a bunch of tools to help your computer try and usually fail to become smarter than you. So why PyTorch? Why we need PyTorch? PyTorch because it's clean, it's flexible, and unlike certain frameworks, TensorFlow, it doesn't make you cry during debugging. Most AI researchers use PyTorch because apparently we all like suffering, but with elegance. So why this playlist and what we'll learn from this playlist? From tensors and gradients to building neural networks that might recognize a cat, we've got it all. No BS, no bloated lectures, just code, sarcasm, and some real talk. So, whom is this playlist for? This playlist is for if you know Python and you have ever said, "What the heck is tensor?" You're in. This playlist is for you. If you're already an AI expert, just go away. Just kidding. Stay and judge me. So, what can you expect from this playlist? So, you can expect short and short videos, real example, no amnest all the time, I promise. Occasional debugging, meltdowns, code that works most of the time. So buckle up, import Torch and make it some machines, and let's make some machines more intelligent than us. Like, subscribe, or run pip uninstall Torch. Your call. Thank you.